Now in this video we're going to look at a problem, an application of trigonometry in buildings. So we are given a building with two floors. The first floor goes from B to C, the second floor goes from C to D. We are given the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation is measured between the ground and the line AD, which is 21 degrees, and the line AC, which is 14 degrees. And then we are asked to find the length DC, which we call X. Let's call this X. Now, when we look at the what is given, the building is supposed to be to make 90 degrees with the ground. So in fact, we are given right triangles here. Good. X is opposite these angles, and then we know the adjacent side to these angles. So we are tempted here to use the tangent. Now let's start with the tangent of 21 degrees, which is equal, so this is 21 degrees, the big angle, it's equal to the opposite side, all this, divided by the adjacent. Now all this, here we have X, we don't know C, B, so we call it Y. Let's call this Y. So the tangent of 21 is equal to X plus Y divided by the adjacent side. Okay, now let's use the small right triangle ABC. Now in ABC, we use the small angle of elevation, the tangent of 14 degrees. So this triangle here, the opposite side now it's Y, the adjacent is the same 40. Now here when we wrote this equation, we had an equation with two unknown, X and Y, and that's why we needed another equation in at least one of the variables which we got here. So now it is possible to solve this problem. We have got two equations, two unknown. Now let's get rid of the denominators 40 and 40 here. So let's take equation 1, multiply all terms by 40. So equation 1 multiply by 40. That gives me 40 tangent 21 degrees equal 40 multiply X plus Y over 40. Yeah, what I did, multiply here by 40, multiply here by 40. And then we simplify, yeah? This 40 and this 40 gives me 1, and I'm left with X plus Y. Now equation 2 again multiplied by the denominator 40. So equation 2 multiplied by 40 gives me 40 tangent 14 degrees is equal to 40 multiplied by Y over 40. Yeah, I multiplied by 40 and 40 here. And then I simplify, and of course the 40 over 40 gives me 1. And now my equation, it's 40 tangent 14 is equal to Y. Now look at this equation and look at the second equation. We have X plus Y and we have Y. So if we subtract this from this, that's what we are going to get. On the left side, 40 tangent 21 degrees is equal to X plus Y. So we rewrite the equations first, yeah? Just to make sure we understand what we are doing. So here our two equations, yeah, put together again. So I'm going to do this minus this. So 40 tangent 21 degrees minus 40 tangent 14 degrees equal, so this minus this equal this minus this. And here the y is eliminated. I have used what we call the method of elimination. I have only x here, which is good, equal to all this. I can leave it like this or write it by factoring the tangent of by factoring the 40. Now take using the calculator and doing the tangent 21 degrees, tangent 14, multiplied by 40, that gives me 5.38 meters. This is the height we are looking for.